If Klarna isn't able to verify your personal details, it's likely due to the discrepancy in your information or issues with your credit standing. So to fix this, ensure your name, date of birth, and address are entered correctly in Klarna. So first, you need to verify your details. Double check for errors. Make sure all your personal information is entered accurately and matches your identification documents. Then you need to review your credit history. So Klarna uses your credit information to assess your eligibility. Errors or negative marks on your credit report can lead to verification issues. You can also report your credit report with the credit reference agencies and address any discrepancies. Then you need to address the unpaid memberships purchases. So pay off outstanding balances if you have any unpaid Klarna purchases. Then you need to connect your bank account. So by linking your bank account to Klarna, it can also help with verification. Then you need to improve your chances of approval. Ensure you meet the age requirement where you need to be 18 years old, maintain a positive credit, and consider adjusting your purchase amount. Then lastly, contact Klarna support if you tried all above the steps and are still encountering the issues.